Let's go through the steps on how to prepare your bases for using Nanox Wax.
Scrape your skis to remove any wax that may be present. Then inspect your base. If you see a lot of tiny hairs, wrap Fibertex around your true bar and take approximately 5 to 10 passes back and forth, finishing with one long pass tip to tail. Take another pass with your scraper, knocking all the fibers back in the direction of glide. Removing microhairs opens the structure and allows your base to absorb wax better. Next, open the structure by taking 2 to 3 passes with your soft steel or brass oval brush. Divide your ski into 3 sections: the tip, binding section, and the tail. Now brush left side, right side, then middle. In the binding section, it's narrower, so you're only going to brush left side and right side. On the tail, brush left side, right side, then the middle, exactly as you did on the tip. This technique reminds you to always maintain symmetry with your brushes, which prolongs the nice structure in your base. Another option to open the structure is by taking 1 to 2 passes with your soft steel or brass roto brush. Set your drill to a maximum of 1000 RPMs, applying light pressure. You do not want to generate heat. Be certain your roto is running perfectly flat on your base. Now clean the base with your pre-mixed solution to remove any dust and contaminants. Then apply low adhesive tape to the sidewalls under the binding section to prevent wax from overflowing onto your sidewalls and bindings. This saves a lot of time removing wax from these areas later. Now you're ready to apply Nanox training wax.